Have you ever wondered why laughter feels so good? What if I told you that every chuckle and giggle could be secretly healing your body and mind? From boosting immunity to melting stress, the power of laughter might just surprise you. Stay tuned as we uncover how finding joy daily can transform not only your mood but also your health, and why this simple act might be more important than you think. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing insights. Imagine a world where doctors prescribed laughter instead of pills. Sounds whimsical, doesn't it? Yet science suggests this idea isn't far-fetched at all. Laughter has an incredible ability to influence our physical and mental well-being in ways many people don't realize. When we laugh, our brain releases endorphins, the feel-good chemicals responsible for that warm, fuzzy sensation after hearing a hilarious joke or watching a comedy show. These natural painkillers not only lift our spirits but also reduce stress hormones like cortisol, which wreak havoc when left unchecked. But the magic of laughter goes beyond fleeting happiness. It's been shown to improve cardiovascular health by increasing blood flow and relaxing artery walls, a process akin to giving your heart a mini workout. A hearty laugh can even engage muscles throughout your body, burning calories while making you feel lighter inside and out. And let's not forget its role in strengthening relationships. Shared laughter creates bonds, fosters empathy, and breaks down barriers between people. Think about those moments when someone's infectious giggle spreads through a room. It unites strangers and turns acquaintances into friends almost instantly. Laughter also acts as a shield against adversity. Life throws curveballs, and sometimes they hit harder than expected. During these tough times, humor becomes a powerful coping mechanism. Instead of crumbling under pressure, laughter allows us to reframe challenges, turning overwhelming situations into something more manageable. This psychological resilience helps protect mental health and prevents burnout. So whether it's cracking jokes during a stressful day or finding humor in everyday mishaps, embracing laughter adds a layer of armor to face whatever comes next. Now, consider how laughter impacts long-term wellness. Chronic illnesses often stem from prolonged exposure to stress, poor lifestyle choices, or negative thought patterns. By incorporating regular doses of laughter into your routine, you're essentially creating a buffer zone that mitigates some of these risks. Studies have found that individuals who prioritize humor tend to recover faster from surgeries, experience fewer colds, and report higher overall satisfaction with life. What makes laughter particularly fascinating is its universality. Regardless of age, culture, or background, everyone understands the language of laughter. Babies start giggling before they learn words, proving that humor is innate rather than learned behavior. As adults, however, life's responsibilities can dull our sense of playfulness. Deadlines, bills, and societal expectations take center stage, leaving little room for spontaneous joy. But reconnecting with this childlike wonder doesn't require grand gestures. Small acts like sharing funny memes, reminiscing over embarrassing stories, or simply smiling at a stranger can reignite that spark. Moreover, laughter serves as a reminder that happiness doesn't always need a reason. In today's fast-paced world, people often wait for milestones, a promotion, a vacation, or a special event to feel content. While celebrating achievements is important, waiting for perfect moments robs us of opportunities to find joy in the present. Laughing without cause flips the script, teaching us to cherish the now and appreciate life's quirks. After all, the absurdity of existence itself, from misplaced socks to autocorrect fails, is worth a chuckle or two. So how do we make laughter a daily habit? Start by surrounding yourself with positivity. Seek out comedies, podcasts, or books that tickle your funny bone. Spend time with people who uplift you and share your zest for life. If solitude suits you better, try journaling humorous observations or practicing self-deprecating humor. It's okay to laugh at yourself once in a while. Even forced laughter, believe it or not, can trick your brain into feeling genuine amusement. Ever noticed how fake giggles morph into real ones during awkward silences? That's biology working its charm. Creating rituals around laughter amplifies its benefits. Host game nights, attend stand-up shows, or join online communities centered on humor. Technology offers endless possibilities too. Scrolling through wholesome content or joining virtual laughter yoga sessions connects you to a global network of joyful souls. Remember, consistency matters more than intensity. A few minutes of genuine laughter each day accumulates over time, gradually rewiring your mindset toward optimism. Ultimately, laughter reminds us of what truly matters: connection, resilience, and the beauty of being alive. In a society obsessed with productivity and perfection, allowing ourselves to laugh freely is revolutionary. It strips away pretenses, celebrates imperfection, and gives permission to embrace life fully. So go ahead, watch that silly video, tell that corny joke, or dance ridiculously in front of the mirror. Your mind and body will thank you. Before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community dedicated to exploring fascinating topics that inspire healthier, happier living. Because every smile counts, and we'd love to share more stories like this one with you. See you in the next video.